Hello, everyone. I'm Janice Rodolfi. I'm a Client Solutions Consultant at RNL, and we're helping Montana Tech prepare for their upcoming Giving Day starting on September 10th this year. This year is a very special year because we're celebrating 125 years. We're so excited for this milestone and for you to be a part of that excitement as well. So in this brief training today, I will be walking you through what it means to be an ambassador, as well as how to sign up, and how to be an effective ambassador as well. So first and foremost, let's go through your role as an ambassador and how to make this campaign the most successful yet. So as an ambassador, you will actually have access to a personal fundraising link that you can share with your networks via email and social media. Your goal as an ambassador is to help influence and inspire your friends, family, and classmates to give to Montana Tech on September 10th and 12th. When you sign up to become an ambassador, you will be able to visit this page to sign up. This is a public sign up page on the main Giving Day site. You can use the link listed on this slide. Once you use this link on this page, it'll take you here. You can sign up using your email. If you've signed up in the past on the 2024 page, you do also need to sign up on this 2025 page. And they have a nice description here about, what do you need to be an ambassador, kind of what makes it fun, the friendly competitions that they have, as well as just kind of a little description and the prizes that they have included as well. So if you haven't signed up yet on the 2025 page, we certainly do encourage you to do that after this training. Once you enter in your email in this box here and you click sign up, you will receive an email, and that email is actually going to send you an email where you can confirm your sign up. That will look a little bit like this. So you will then click that green confirm sign up button. You will get an email directly from Shannon. Once you confirm your sign up, you will then receive your welcome email. And this welcome email has a lot of really good information in it. The welcome email actually has your referral link. That referral link is what you're going to use to track your donations throughout Giving Day. It will track how many gifts you've received, who has actually made a gift, how many clicks that link has received. It also has some easy social share buttons in it so you can start sharing right away, as well as a link back to the ambassador dashboard down here at the bottom of the email so that you can easily get back to your dashboard whenever you would like to. You will also see or be able to navigate back to the dashboard easily from here. And in your dashboard, this will have all kinds of useful information for you. So within your dashboard, you will see the amount raised using your personal fundraising link. You will also see the names of your donors as long as they haven't made themselves anonymous. You will see a welcome message put there from the Montana Tech team. You will also have your referral link there readily available for you to copy and paste. Some easy share buttons. If you use the easy share buttons that are in the ambassador dashboard, that will automatically copy your referral link for you. So you don't have to copy and paste it into social media if you're using those easy share buttons. And you'll also see a referred page section. So you can decide if you want your referral link to point directly to the main Giving Day page, or if you would like to direct your donors or your peers to a specific department page. You get to choose what page you would like to send your peers to. So here is an example of what that looks like with regard to that referral page. If you would like to point them to a different page, you're going to choose that drop down here. And once all of those departments are listed, they're going to be in that drop down. You would just select the department from that referred page and select the area that you want to send your peers to. If you are going to select a referred page, you can also change your short URL. The short URL, what that does is it just makes your referral URL a little bit prettier and easier to share. So you can see there that your referral link is quite long. So if you plan to be copy and pasting it into emails, just to make it a little bit easier to remember or a little bit cleaner, you can create a short URL. So I often do that just by putting my name in that section. Or if you're doing it for a college or a unit, you can put that college or unit name in there. Once you do that, you'll click that black save button and you will be good to go. A fun fact, if you're thinking, oh, I'll just share on social media, I'll get the word out there, don't forget about email. We still see that the majority of gifts come in through email on Giving Day. So don't forget that email is still a very important tool to use on Giving Day. When you're thinking about what it is that you need to be sharing on Giving Day, these are just some questions that you can use thinking about telling your story. It's going to be a lot more personable and getting people to make their gifts. If you can think about, how has your degree helped you? Why do you want to pay it forward? Do you have a favorite place on campus? Who was your favorite professor? What was your favorite class? And really relating these back to those I statements and why are you making your gift? Why should they make their gift? Bringing home that case for support on why they should make their gift on Giving Day as well. Within the dashboard, there are also some really wonderful toolkit materials that you can use, as well as some fun ambassador bingo that you can play. So they do have some great social share images you can download and use directly from there. Good day one images that you can take, as well as a selfie image that you can download and use on social media. So make sure you're getting into the dashboard, downloading the ambassador bingo and playing that for prizes, as well as downloading that save the date. And you can go ahead and start sharing that as soon as possible out on social media. Speaking of social media, if you are sharing on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, those posts will be pulled into a social media aggregator as long as you're using the hashtag. That aggregator will be featured on the main Giving Day page. So it is kind of a fun way to join in that momentum for the day. So just keep that in mind. That's just another way to be a part of the excitement and the fun for the day. So the next steps here, you want to make sure that you sign up on the Giving Day page. Check out those ambassador dashboard images and toolkit materials. Think about your Montana Tech story. Make sure you get excited for Giving Day and that anniversary. 125 years, that's a big deal. And make sure that you start sharing. You can share before September 10th, but the Giving Day site will be live for gifts starting September 10th and going through September 12th, 2025. If you do have questions, you can certainly visit the Giving Day site. You can read the frequently asked questions on the Giving Day site, check out that ambassador section, or I also have Shannon's information here on the site. We thank you so much for joining us, listening to this brief training. We wish you all the best, and we can't wait to watch your Giving Day launch this year on September 10th.